This is my iPad. I'm so excited. Today, I'm actually going to a baby shower. It's actually a military baby shower. We'll be doing like games and food and also like prizes and gifts. They're just kind of like giving back to us military spouses. So I guess I'll just show you guys that, and also once I get back home, I'll also show you guys like all the goodies that they gave us.
Baby surviving. That's so funny. What's in here? Dang. It's like all clothes. What's this thing? That's really cool, Benjamin. There's a raffle. There's a raffle. Were there tickets? Look at what we got.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I haven't shown you guys like the baby shower gift yet. I will get to it and show you guys what's in the basket. But today we're actually having a game night, and so I'm like scrambling to clean up the house, get the baby all cleaned up. I'm just kind of scrubbing it up, wearing the same shirt from yesterday, you know, mom life. Can you say hi?
6 hours later.
Now that, you know, my house is clean, I think I should give you guys a house tour before everybody starts coming over. So if you guys remember, if you come in, this is what like coming into my house looks like. And my little puppy. On the side here, this is my bathroom. Not completely done with it. I just have some decor above the toilet. I want to get like something right there. So that is basically what my bathroom looks like when you come on in. This is kind of like an entryway table. I have some tip money for the pizza guy. I just have like a little shoe pan. That Do All Things with Love. I thought that was really cute. And I have this cool runway. What are those called? Runners? Okay, so this is what my living room looks like. If you guys remember, it was just completely bare. I'm still working on this area. I don't know what I want to put right there just yet, but over here I just have like some cool like antique fern pictures. Oops, someone's here. Sorry about that. Pizza guy came. Boom. That's not the pizza guy, that's my husband. This little entry table looks like. Have an antique chair. This is an actual like Persian rug, so it's really cool. We got that as a wedding gift. And then this is what my living room looks like. Yeah, I want to get a new couch because these cushions sink and it's really annoying. But this is what it looks like. I have some wedding pictures, some decor. I don't know if you guys want to see like really in-depth thing or just like an overview. A little bench. And this is what our TV stand looks like. Just giving you guys some ideas. Yeah, we are watching some dank memes. My kitchen. It's really simple. Just 2 seated tables. Nothing really changed except like we have some more stuff out here. Then out here, laundry room. In there, that is a mess because we have guests over. We just shoved all our crap in there. And then this is my husband's man cave. That's a Marilyn Monroe picture that his grandpa took. Like, he was actually there and took that picture. Right, baby?
The Kennedys killed her.
Yeah. That is actually from Egypt on real Egyptian papyrus. Have like Constitution, my husband's sword. Over here, we just have all of my husband's gear, so I don't deal with that. But yeah, that's all his stuff. Going upstairs. So upstairs isn't completely done. So this is the little area right outside of our bedrooms. We just have a hamper, have my desk. This is what our bathroom looks like currently. Nothing special. My little baby tub. Hey, still filming on the phone because I always forget to whip out the camera. But what can you do? So this is my bedroom. That is my side. We haven't set up our headboard yet, but we will do that soon. I just have some baby stuff in here when I have Benjamin in here with me. My closet is a mess, so I'm not gonna go through that with you guys. But on my side of the bed here, I have this little basket just to keep everything like organized. So like I don't have diapers like everywhere. And then I would take you into my son's room, but he is asleep right now. So I'm not gonna do that and show you guys just yet. Maybe I'll do a more like in-depth house tour, but I just wanted to give you guys like an overview of how everything is. But we are ready for some people to come over, aren't we, babe?
Yeah.
So yeah, we're just gonna have some people over and then play some games and eat some pizza. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. So I have my family with me. We're just taking pictures. Let's go.
Emily! What? Why are you crying?
Okay, hi guys. So I am on a mission today. It is Black Friday and bless you. It is Black Friday and it's Black Friday and I have my eye. I have my eye set on an iPad Pro at the Marine Corps Exchange and they're having like a huge sale on it. Originally it's like $699 or something like that. I am going to get it for like $489 I think, and then they have like an additional $10 off of like your a $50 purchase, so it's gonna be like $479 for this iPad Pro and there's no tax, so it's like an awesome deal. Let's go get it.
Yeah, like knock it over.
Huge trees. Okay, this is the one I want. This one. Let me find somebody. Look at it. So this is my iPad. It is 10.5 in space gray. How do I turn this on? I still need to like personalize it, but I got the pen too. I'm so excited. So now that I show you guys my iPad, I almost forgot to show you guys everything that's in my baby shower gift thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that. Okay, so I am gonna go through the baby shower stuff. Don't mind my laundry hamper, doing laundry obviously. So the first thing, hero box. They have a little new Daddy's baby kit. So I'm gonna go through this. It's really cute. In this box, you'll find a diaper. Self-explanatory. Earplugs, also self-explanatory. Puzzle piece, remind you that you are an important piece in the journey of your child. A playing card, just to remind you that raising and educating a child is always a gamble. Full of marbles, in case you ever feel like you're losing yours. Lifesavers, to remind you that parents are lifesavers. A couple of aspirins for when all else fails. Take 2, and then a couple of Jolly Ranchers just to remind you to laugh, and some tissues to dry those tears, babies and yours. They were also doing like a raffle thing, and you go and pick out a gift from the table, and I picked out a door jumper, something that Benjamin can play in when he's a little bit older and he can like hold himself up. Okay, now for the big gift. It's just a laundry basket of clothes and goodies and whatnot, and I'm so grateful for these. I'm so glad that the military like hooked us up. So I think I'm just going to speed this up and like show you guys just how much clothes that they gave us. It's like awesome. Okay, so that was all the clothes. Like seriously, look at all this. Look at all of this. We're so blessed. But then there's other goodies. They gave us blanket, quilt, fur cloth that was handmade, breast pads. So these are just some reusable breast pads. This is really sweet. Look at it. It's a plane, a wooden plane. And then baby wipes, sample of lotion, and lastly, a teddy bear, or what is this? Dog.
A dog.
So yeah, that was like basically.
That's a lot of stuff.
That's a lot of stuff, but we are so thankful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.